folks, Jennifer Bulkley here from ACS Facility Services. I'm the COO. And I want to take just a couple of minutes here to talk about community and culture and how that relates to my position. It really comes down to two primary things, and that's responsibility and outcomes. One of the ways that I take on responsibility to further build on our community and our culture is something I call the Core Value Implementer Tool. So everything's based on our 4 core values. That's team first, solve problems, get recognized, and do more. So what this tool is, essentially it's an exercise. It's a principle, guideline that we go by in this company. We teach our team leaders and our frontline technicians, everybody involved in the company, uses those 4 core values as a backbone for all decision making and all action steps that we take. So if we have a problem or a situation that we need to solve, actions that we need to take, we pit those decisions against the 4 core values. If they align with those 4 core values, then we've solved the responsibility for either the employee or the customer, and we also get the desired outcome of what we want, which is alignment with our culture, our community, further strengthening everything. And it's a tool that we use regularly with our employees. Everybody uses this throughout the company. It's in all processes, whether it's in the field, whether it's in administration, or our sales process. And so here's the other thing about this whole culture and community and core value system. It's incredibly simple. So, we have seemingly complex systems involved in this business, and there's just a lot going on. So the way we've broken things down in this manner has just made it so super simple. We can handle anything. There's a couple of other systems that we use too that are a little bit more tactical when it comes to community and culture and our team. We have the Harley chip system, which is a poker chip from the Harley-Davidson company. And we have a white and black chip that we actually use for our team anytime that they get a compliment, which is getting recognized through excellence. They get that white chip, and the white chip is actually worth $1 in our company store. It's one way that they get recognized, and it enhances the responsibility we have to make sure our customer has a great experience. They know if they're doing an outstanding job, they're going to get that compliment. So again, we have the responsibility end taken care of, and we have the outcome that we want: community, culture, core values. The other part to the chip system is a purple and black chip. And what that does is we give that out to employees when they correctly answer some of the questions that we throw up on our communication platform every week. And when they answer those questions correctly, they do get a purple chip, which is actually worth $2 in our company store. So they're not only furthering enhancing their knowledge by looking up the correct answers, which takes care of the responsibility of, again, them knowing the tools and the answers to the things that they need to be successful, and then it also recognizes them for that. So again, we have that desired outcome. The other thing that we do for building our community and our culture with our staff is we do mentoring sessions with them every 90 days. So every 90 days they get to sit down with myself or with Sheila, and we go over how this previous quarter's gone. We go over what goals they have. They have to set goals for themselves so we can hold them accountable, and we can help them through their own personal and professional goals. This is also a chance where they get to go to that next pay grade. So again, every 90 days. This is really building, the culture and the community that we're after by staying in touch with our employees every 90 days in such a organized way. So, if you've liked some of the things you heard me say, then I'd invite you to shoot me an email, pick up the phone, give me a call. I really like having just a great phone conversation. I'd love to know some of your goals, what your position is. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.